Excited for a new DIY project? Then ready for the junky ride. Hi, this is Sangeeta welcoming on my channel RN the Artist. So let's start. As you already know, today we will make a faux vintage film roll negative. For that, I have this small piece of negative for reference. I will take my measurement according to this so that there will be no possibility of extra large or small in size. For making negatives, I am using these plastic sheets which are little sturdy as negative should be. This orange sheet was a part of mobile packaging. Now I will use this vibrant color of plastic sheet instead of throwing it. We will need scissors, scale and some permanent markers and a ball pen. Now I am marking. I will make 5 negative from this transparent one and 2 from the orange one. Its width is 3.5 centimeter. Now I will cut them straight. Now it's time to stain these transparent sheets. For that I will use these alcohol inks. If you have these inks, then use them, otherwise leave this step. It's totally fine. Firstly spraying some water and then using some drop of inks. After applying it, dry it and I will mark them with my permanent black marker. Here I am trying to imitate the design of negative. I will do this with all sheets. I have also experimented with acrylic paint for marking the boundaries, but I think marker is the best, so use marker. That is good. Now it's done with all marking. For more realistic look, I have decided to make holes in between thick dots by my regular hole punch. It's a little hard work, but I think it's totally worth it. Now these are looking super cool. It's time to give them home. Use them as an embellishment. They looks very pretty with different theme. Now, what do you think about this very quick, exciting, super cool project? Let me know in the comment box, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, happy crafting, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.